Hi guys, welcome to Live Painting with RAEART. I'm your host, James Ray. Alright, let's start. Let's slap it down. Heavy on the water, heavy on the water, heavy on the water. Oh, zebra, I see it. Alone like the big old town. From the east coast to your west, he's a dress man. Do you see the face amongst the faces? I don't like it. Let's start over, folks. Let's slap it down the right way. So thanks for tuning in again for another episode of Live with RAEART. As you can see, I got some water on my brush. I'm just blending it in nicely into the blue. I'm not trying to follow my original path. I'm just making something else happen magically. Just fill in some spots. Don't even do all of it. This is one I did a few weeks ago. It's kind of neat. It started as a group art, but I painted over it. Everyone hates me, but I turned it into this, so that's good. Over here is another one I did last year. And finally this one. This is my last painting I did. I haven't even signed it yet. It was brand new. The last video. Let's paint it up, baby, come on. Let's paint it up, baby, come on.